This is a practice chanter. I'm doing this video because I constantly talk to people who are interested in starting the pipes, and the first thing people tend to ask is, where can I buy a full set of pipes, and you know, how much are they, and can I get them with a certain type of tartan on the bag, and you know, this and that and the other. And the thing that most people who begin for the first time oftentimes don't realize is, you don't buy a full set of pipes when you start playing the pipes. You buy a practice chanter. This is a shepherd chanter. I have a few of them. This is the one I'm playing right now. I have another nail practice chanter that has a nice little ivory furl on the bottom, and is a little more decorative, but I think this shepherd chanter is a little cleaner, so I usually play it more often. But this is how you start on the pipes. You have to buy one of these. It's a full-length chanter. They make shorter ones that stop about right here, but you want a full-length chanter because you want the holes on this chanter to match the distance in fingering holes on an actual bagpipe chanter, so that when you get used to playing on this thing, you will more easily transition onto the standard pipe chanter when you move to the pipes. But there's so many doublings and fingerings and embellishments and grace notes that you have to kind of build into your finger movements before you begin going through all the aerobics of playing a full set of pipes, that you're probably going to spend very likely a year playing one of these things before you even begin playing your first tunes on a full set of pipes. And even then, when you play a full set of pipes, you're liable to not play with the drones for a while, and then begin to slowly bring each of the 3 drones in one at a time, until you can play a full tune with all the drones going on a set of pipes with very hard reeds, with air escaping out of 4 different places all at once while you're trying to keep the bag full. Anyway, that's enough about that. This is the practice chanter. I'm going to play the Battle of the Somme here on it, just so you can see. I'm going to play the first part and the second part without repeats, because unlike some of my friends, I do not do circular breathing, so I have to take a breath every now and then while I'm playing this thing. But this is the Battle of the Somme on practice chanter. And that's how the practice chanter sounds. Kind of like a crazy bee. But you must buy one of these before you buy the pipes. This particular chanter probably, I think I bought this chanter 20 years ago. I think I paid about $79, $80 for it back then. Similar chanters of similar quality you can still buy for about that much today. Don't go cheap. Don't find a cocos wood chanter that you find in some Celtic shop somewhere that's $25 that comes with a little sheet music package to learn from, that was made in Pakistan somewhere or India, because just don't do that. It's the wrong thing. You need to buy from a decent Scottish supply company, bagpipe company. There's a number here in the States. The one that I like to go to is Henderson Imports, and I can't say enough good things about them. So there's my plug for them, but there are others as well. And ask around. Find a pipe band in your hometown. They oftentimes give free lessons if you're interested in continuing forward and perhaps play with a band later. If you don't want to play with a band, you can still contact pipe band, and they may lead you to tutors in your area. You need a teacher. Definitely need a teacher to do this. You cannot just do it by yourself all the time. Certainly not in the first couple of years. So there's my preaching on practice chanters. Good luck.